Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. Welcome back to the garage. New subscribers, 122 now, going well. Would like some more. Over 4,000, 5,000 unique viewers, so there's plenty of people still left to subscribe. Everybody's welcome. Won't take long this video. Lean pickings this month. Right, let's see what we've got as they come out the box. Little Corgi, Morris truck. He's all there. That could be Sud. AV Burke, Fruitier. Oh, he's lost the bed. I'm sure there would have been a bed in the back there. Same truck. Dunlop and Hamilton. He's not got a bed either, so maybe there wasn't one. Here's something interesting. Crystallised blue Corgi BMW M3. I mean, he's all there, but I don't know if you can see, if I bring that closer, the texture of that paint job. Done with a brush. I don't know what sort of brush. Oh, one of the reasons I bought this little lot on eBay was this little Renault 5 Turbo. Some damage to the front. I might be able to fix that. Just a single door mirror is still there. But a classic in the hot hatches, the Renault Turbo. Put him star of the show so far. Osram lamps, school bus. Same chassis as the other. It's a Bedford bus though, made in Great Britain. He's all there. Not going to do anything with him. And one of the other reasons I bought that lot, Ford Capri Corgi 3 litre S. I've got two Capris now. There's the other one, Corgi 3 litre S. Slightly different. This one's got a bit of muscle bodywork on at the back. This one's not. I really want a Mark 1. Bonnet doesn't lift on the black one. My dad had a Mark 1. I learnt to drive in a Mark 1, so I would like a Mark 1. We have the Batmobile. Something missing there off the back, the missile firer. It's got the tow bar. Corgi Juniors, 1976, DC Comics. It's quite tidy, really. Might do a Batmobile one day. Now, I did get a few of these since I'm into me motorcycles. I know they're not die cast, but there's the bike that some say did succeed the Ducati 916, the Yamaha R1 1000 cc's. Absolutely superb bike. He's just missing his side stand so he can stand up. But I do like my bikes, and it always amazes me how they get to resto those bikes and get the paint on them. Oh, here we are, TNT Corgi Transit. Bit missing there. That should be able to be done. Headlight missing. Maybe it's time to do a banger racing like Kev's Banger Racing, if you've seen his channel. It's quite good. And mixer goes round. Not sure who's made him. Lesney. He's all there, and he does work. Bit bent at the top there in the chute. Foden. I haven't done a truck yet. Might want to do a commercial. Trailer for a bike. He's lost his hooking bit. I don't think that'd be a problem. He's also lost his bike. Flicking through some papers at the side there, see if we could find a bike. No. Here's a bike, well, it ain't going to fit on that trailer. Triumph Daytona 955i. Superbike. in good condition. You know when you do your own detailing, how much you appreciate what others have done. Like getting that decal on there. That would be nigh impossible. I'm struggling with smaller than that. All this one needs is a bit of a Molotow pen up there on the exhaust. He's rubbed off a bit, but he's quite tidy. Let's put his side stand down, stand him up. There you go. You can't see him. I'll just lift the camera up a touch, get a better view. There we go. It's all bikes that are left now if anybody's into bikes or not into bikes. And there we have Ducati. Looks like a super light trellis frame. That's the trellis frame. Single seater. Doesn't say whether it's a super light or not. Twin exhaust. Maisto. He's lost his side stand as well. It'd be in there. Love the sound of a Ducati. Really do. Here's another one. Triumph RS. Again, tidy looking bike. If you ever see a bike with these humps at the back here, these normally do come off to allow a passenger to be carried. And that's unlike the Ducati, where nobody's going to get a seat on the back of that. You won't want somebody on the back of your Ducati anyway, to be perfectly honest. As you can see with this other Triumph, the seat in real life would come off that cover. Let's put him back there. Finally, one more. Suzuki Hayabusa. 200-mile-an-hour bike when it came out. And it still is. They've just brought out a new version. Again, it's got that seat hump we've been talking about. Lovely little model. Hope you had a good month and enjoyed yourself. And look forward to getting back to you next month with a few more purchases. Bye for now.